Hello everybody, I am CS Ishika Agrawal and you are watching Yashas Academy. So in this video, I'm going to guide you through the complete procedure of CA intermediate registration. So this is going to be a proper step-by-step video. So by the end of this video, you will be well versed with the whole process of CA intermediate registration. So please watch this video till end. So, in order to register for CA Intermediate, first you have to go to the website of ICAI, which is icai.org. So, if you'll scroll down in the bottom right corner, you will get an option of self-service portal. So, you have to click on the self-service portal and then you have to sign in by entering your user ID and password. If you don't know your password, then you can click on the forget password to retrieve your password. So after you enter your user ID and password, this dashboard will appear, and here you have to first take a note of your current course. Please take note what is your current course, because this you have to enter later in the registration process. Like here the current course is new FND, which means new foundation. So please write it down in a paper that your current course is new foundation. Then you have to click on the student function. After you click on the student function, on the left corner you have to click on the course registration, and after you click on the course registration, two options will appear. Number one, apply for intermediate for CPT route, and number two, apply for intermediate for direct entry. Direct entry is for those who are graduates and who are taking direct admission in the inter. But if you have cleared foundation CPT, then you have to click on this first option, apply for intermediate through CPT route. So after you click on the apply for intermediate CPT route, then this next window will appear. So you have to wait till this next window will appear. Then the new dashboard will appear, and in this new dashboard you have to enter all your personal details, right? Example, your name, your nationality, your gender, your marital status, your date of birth, etc. So after you, some of your details will already be filled, so you have to fill your personal details. Please make sure that the one with the red asterisk mark, star mark, that is compulsory, and the options, the details which does not have any star mark, then they are not compulsory. You can skip that information. So enter your all the details correctly. You can give all your personal information here, right? And after that you have to enter your address, and make sure that your address is your home address. Don't give your any temporary address, because all the institute certificates and your past results, etc., are sent to your address. So make sure that you enter your right address. After that, click on the category. It can be your general, SC, ST, nationality, and annual income you can mention, but it's not compulsory. After that you can click on save and next, right? And once you click on the save and next, then this next page will appear. Here you have to submit your 10th and 12th result, right? So make sure that you upload, you scan and you upload your 10th and 12th result here. And after that you have to scroll down, and here in the registration mode you have to enter your current course. Remember, in the first page I told you to note down your current course, right? Our current course was new foundation, so that same course which was mentioned in the first dashboard, that you have to choose here. So here we have selected new foundation because our current course was new foundation, right? So after you do this, you don't have to fill all these details, and you can scroll down and down. And then after you scroll down, here you have to select the medium. You can select either Hindi or English, whatever is your medium. And after that you have to select the course. If you want to register for both group, then you can select both group. If you want to register for module 1, group 1, then you can select group 1. Or if you want to register for group 2, then you can select group 2. I'd suggest you to register for both group at the same time. Then you should scroll, and then you have to click on save and next. Once you click on save and next, here the next window will appear where you have to upload your photograph and signature, right? So make sure that your photograph and signature are clear, and it is an image file, not in a PDF file. So you can simply upload your photo and signature. Other documents are not compulsory here, only photo and signature is compulsory. After that you can scroll down, and here you have to select on the live virtual classes. So I would suggest you to select for the virtual classes. If you are registering for group 1, then select group 1. If you're registering for group 2, then select group 2. And if you're registering for both, then select on both, right? So this will be the virtual class. You can select on both if you're registering for both group. And after that, fees details will appear. So here the fees for group 1 or group 2, like any one group, is 13,000, and fees for both the group is 18,000. So I'd suggest you to register for both the groups simultaneously. Don't register one group because it will cost you 26,000. So it's better, it's advisable to register for both the group simultaneously, because anyways you have to register for both group. Yes, exam form you can fill later on only for that group which you want to appear for exam, but registration you should do both group at once, so that it will cost you less. You can register for both group with just 80,000 rupees. So after you take a note of your fees details, then here you have the option for selecting journal. If you want journal, CA journal, then you can click on this option subscription, and it will cost you 400 rupees extra. However, it is completely optional. You can skip this portion. You can if you don't want to opt for journal, then you don't need to select this checkbox, right? After that, you should scroll down and click on generate OTP. You will receive OTP in your mobile number, in your registered mobile number, and then you can enter the OTP, and then you can make the payment. So once you make the payment, your registration is successful. However, you have to wait for further 10-15 working days for receiving the email confirmation of your registration, and after that you have to wait for 6 to 7 working days for your CDS email, and that's it. Your registration is completed, your registration is successful. And what you have to do now, you have to order for your book with the ICSI. There's a separate procedure for that. If you want help with the procedure of how to order book, you can comment down below and ask us. We will surely help you with that process also. So once you order the book, you are done. You don't have to do anything else. Our registration is complete, and our book order is also complete. You just have to now fill the exam form. Not now, but yeah, 2 to 3 months before the exam, we have to fill exam form. That is to be done before the examination. So this was the overall process of how to register for CA Intermediate. I hope this video is helpful for you. In case of any further doubt, feel free to comment below. We will surely solve all your doubts. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.